On this video, I'm going to show you how to do basting. I'm going to take the mouse, move the cursor up to the single gear, and left click. As you can see, a window of keypad control has popped up. I'd like to point out that basting will work with your belts on or off. I want to note that when in baste mode, the machine will always use single stitches, unlike regulated sewing. Now we need to decide how much space we want between our stitches. If you look at the window here, it says B4.0. That means we're going to stitch 4 inches between our stitches. I'm going to demonstrate that. To do that, I need to take a single stitch, pick up my bobbin, and tack that down. All right, now I'm going to press the start button and move 4 inches. And I took a stitch. And then I'm going to turn that off, stop it. With the down arrow, I'm going to point that to 1, that's B1.0. Push my start button and move it 1 inch, and I get a stitch. Now I'm going to move this down to where it says 4.00. As you can see, the B is missing, but we're still in the baste mode. So when I start this and move it 1/4 inch, I'll get a stitch. Now this is doing it with single stitches. If I move too fast, it'll stretch them out because it just can't keep up with you. So what I recommend, that if you're going to stitch that close together, that to go to regulated mode. So I'm going to press the shift key and exit and go back up to the icon regulated. Press the start button, and now it's much smoother and I can go a lot faster in the regulated mode. Baste is often used to stabilize the outer edges of the quilt to keep it from shifting. It is very valuable when trying to prevent stretching or ease in extra fullness. So that demonstrates the basting mode.